It's gonna be a movie. I'm playing Disruptor.
How to be a certified EDM boozer banger.
He's gotta sign up. Just sign up, Voyage. Alright, let's get it, boys. I'm hitting this left horn. We go wide, left, right. Wide, left, right. We have 10 minutes.
We don't have an AoE.
No AoE, guys.
10 seconds.
Just gonna play inside on here.
Hey, yeah, they're going.
Do you grab any buckets?
Trigger
Yeah, I'm gonna
3,
re-grab this spawn in a
2,
second. Grab it.
1.
Yeah,
That's
grab it now.
Respawns now.
Is that you guys?
Jesus,
Don't
this
run
looks
it.
like the same army we fought last night.
Really?
Pushing the
Bad, I
top
have
right here,
nothing,
point team.
nothing.
You're even good.
Lock.
Stickers bunter, stickers
There you
bunter.
go.
You.
Point team,
Ten
take that fight
seconds.
top left right now. Take that fight top
Green
left
right
right now.
bonfire.
Yep. Getting medic to death.
5, 4,
Dead.
It's on you guys.
3,
It's gonna have a grab in a second.
1.
I might even look right now.
Respawns now.
Yeah, I'm gonna look bottom right, or probably right
My
side.
point team, we can
Take
walk
a second.
right
Doesn't
here.
matter,
Everybody
bottom
else,
Wall bottom
we're just
point?
taking this
Got
in
another
our
grab on it,
areas,
another grab on
our
it.
areas.
Wall
Okay.
screen bottom.
10 seconds.
Thank you.
Don't
I'm
run,
playing
bottom.
butter, I'm playing
Hey, get
butter.
out of that
I'm gonna have a
bomb
dead
right
grab
now.
next,
On that
probably
bomb right.
right,
Point team,
5
push the
seconds.
top left here.
3,
Look at river and all that.
2, 1.
I just figured.
Respawns now.
Stickers bad.
If you're looking right side with the other grab in a second.
Yeah, look at
Actually, I'm
bonfire
gonna-
again.
I have
Yeah.
nothing, nothing.
Nades on this top left for you, boys. Good shit, you're
Yeah,
crashing.
I'm
from
gonna
that
grab
top
now
right
right
here.
side. I don't
Skills
think it's
there.
gonna be dead.
10
right now.
seconds.
Kinda top right on pin.
Spotting.
I'm in trouble. I need to declump.
I got
Chilling,
wall.
chilling,
5,
chilling.
4, 3, 2,
That's your sticker bunters.
1.
I have a shower, shower,
Hey
Respawns
guys, hey guys,
now.
walk towards top side. Everybody's walking towards top side here.
Come on, I
Everybody's
need
walking
bunters.
towards top side here. Take these fights on top
Gonna
side. Take these
declump
fights
quick,
on top
I'm gonna
side
have a
instead
grab in
of
probably
getting
5
stacked
seconds.
up on
Really
the bottom
bad,
side. I
really
got a
bad,
shower on
nothing,
top side
nothing.
point here.
10 seconds.
Yeah, I'm gonna
I
grab
just
this
figured,
bottom
I
right in a
just figured.
second, or probably right side. Yeah, I'm gonna grab top right, top right. It's pretty
Nades on
Five,
the top right. We can
four,
wipe the top right. We can wipe the top
Stickers on
right.
bunters, stickers on
2,
Get out of
Done,
that
grab
block.
that right.
1.
Tank stand, bro.
Respawns
Press to the
now.
top left now. Press
Getting
to
you
the top
shower
left.
at 5
I'm
on.
still playing,
Shower.
still looking.
Oh, fuck, I'm running vines.
Yep, 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 yep.
I'm not buying fucking switch off.
10
Spawn the
seconds.
Yeah, yeah, we're chilling, we're chilling. Keep it neutral,
There might
keep
be
it
trouble.
keep cracking out.
Five,
Point here,
Yeah,
boys.
I'm
4,
I'm gonna have a
3,
dead grab, probably look at the bottom right here in a
There are
second.
nades
One.
on-
Yeah, I'm not even
Nades on
gonna
top
spawn.
left
respawns
here.
now.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna go top right, kind of top
Okay,
right
I see it, yeah.
Yep.
Thank you. Lock
Right
it.
side.
Nades on it.
Good shit, good shit, good
Stickers,
shit, good
bad,
shit.
stickers bad.
Push into that, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Listen
still
in
playing
there.
bottom right.
Shotgun, I need them.
10 seconds.
Throwing a grab right here on our
Hey,
feet.
who's struggling
still
here? Who's
playing it.
struggling here? Who needs help? Who needs help? Who
5,
needs help?
4,
Top left.
3,
Top left.
2, 1.
Yo,
Respawns
8-9,
Respawns now.
8-9. Alright, you're dueling back
I
there.
I'm gonna
got
back
it.
up for a second.
Chill, chill.
I'm safe though. Coming back in a sec.
Nothing. I have a sticker.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab probably bottom right
10
here in a second.
seconds.
I can't play
Yeah, I
bunters.
gotta grab him 5.
Nades on that top left.
Okay.
Good shit, boys. You guys
I'm
can
gonna
wipe
hold
that.
it.
Five,
Good job, good job, good job, good
4,
job.
3, 2, 1.
I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm
Hold on,
Okay.
I'm playing left.
It's pretty heavy top left
I
actually.
missed that.
Yeah,
I
I'm
missed
just gonna go
it.
top
Hey
left.
guys,
It's really
pat
heavy
out
on the
bonfire. Pat out bonfire when you're coming out. Pat out bonfire when you guys are
There's
coming out.
nothing
We're
to
pressing into top
Their
right.
healers and
Ten
decks are
seconds.
sitting
I'm
top
just gonna
left,
declump. I'm
guys.
Is it on
making
your
trouble. I'm
bunters?
declumping. Okay, thank you.
I got your
I'll go
bunters.
back to it.
6 seconds, guys.
Still playing
Five,
bottom
Still
right.
playing butter.
Four,
Clapping.
No
Three,
spiking.
Shotgun
Walk
on that
towards
left
that
side.
walk point right now.
One.
Walk
I'll
down
grab
the walk
next,
point.
probably
Respawns
like
Take it back. I
now.
want everybody to
I have a
pass
sticker, I have a
bonfire,
sticker.
and
Okay.
we're gonna crash into top right. Start dipping toes for me a little bit. Start dipping toes for me.
Have a
little
dealer
bit.
grab him and
And
hold it for a
listen,
second
we're
though.
gonna crash the point
Yeah,
at
I'm holding my sticker.
150 on 150 on Ditto.
1640.
Okay.
Start encircling the point as
I'm
medium,
gonna
start
throw my
encircling
sticker
the point as
Five,
medium.
bunters.
Yeah,
Four,
fight bonfire,
right,
fight off point,
three,
bonfire.
Bomb?
Two,
Okay,
four,
yeah, I see that.
1.
2,
Thank
1.
you.
Everybody look
Respawns
at
now.
the
He wants us to
top
crash.
right,
I'm gonna go top right. It's gonna be dead or grab. Grab him
Everybody,
now.
everybody,
Yep.
everybody. to that
Bomb
top
grab
right.
that right.
Careful.
Pop that, pop that,
I'm
pop that
gonna
top, pop
grab.
that top. Good shit, good shit, good shit.
I'm
Yeah, I'm
Turn
gonna
around,
declump. I'm
turn
gonna
around, and
trouble.
look
No,
towards
it's
the
fine.
bottom
Hold on,
side a little
hold
bit. Turn around, look towards the bottom
I
side.
have a
Wipe
sticker,
this
I have a
point up,
sticker.
wipe this
Yeah,
point
I'm
up.
bottom
Shotgun
right
top
right
right.
now. I might be in
Take
trouble.
10
sticker,
seconds,
but-
take 10
Bottom right,
seconds.
yeah, thank you.
Very
I have a
much.
time right up on
1.
I got vines ready as well.
Respawns now.
I've got no
Good shit,
cooldowns
good
for
shit.
probably
Wipe this,
5.
wipe this,
Hold
wipe
on,
this, wipe
I'm
this.
going
They just got fat
I'm
fucking
good.
timers.
Right.
Push off the point
good,
now
I'm
into
good.
that top
Okay.
left and get kills. Push off
Gonna
the
have a
point.
grab here in a
I'm
second.
gonna
I might use
that's
the top
your
point.
sticker.
10
Good shit,
Or maybe
good
right
shit,
seconds.
good
side.
shit. I got a shower on that top left.
I'm healing the butchers.
Okay,
They're
thank you.
gonna
Yeah, I'm gonna
play
declump of that and then
our
grabbing
side.
our side.
I'm trying to help out our kill squad.
Gonna grab on another grab on you.
now.
Alright, I want everybody
Take it on
to
your
turn
back, take
and
it on
look
your
towards bot right. Let's crash bottom right.
I think bot
Still
right.
playing bottom right
2,
here. Yeah.
1, just wipe out this bottom side. Help clean up bottom side. Help
Somebody
clean
go
up
oppo
bottom
for a
side.
second.
Stagger that tank.
And
I'm
and
gonna
then
ditto
top
grab
left,
next,
top
probably
left.
like 10 seconds.
Popping free creeps.
I got
Five,
money bundle. Yeah,
I'll be
four,
looking top of point here with the ditto
three,
grab.
Second
Bottom
two,
point's
Hunter,
straight to
one.
stand right
I'm
now.
gonna vine
Respawn
top point.
Good shit,
now.
boys.
I'm gonna
Respawn
go-
just happen. Try to get
I'm
big
gonna
kills
hold it
towards
for a
this top
second.
left.
I have nothing. Clap
Have a
it.
ditto
Fine,
grab
jump
and
the
just wait
fuck
for a
up.
second.
I
I'm
got
gonna
you.
look
Take
top
it on
point.
that top
I have nothing.
Top
Ten
right,
grab top right.
top right, yep.
That is secret bad.
Good shit, boys. Play loose out of that top left. Play
Five,
loose out of that top
four,
left. Look towards
yeah.
bottom left
three,
instead. Respawns go bonfire again. Respawns go
one.
bonfire again.
Respawns
Respawns right now.
now.
Hey, 8-9, if you guys
Actually, I
can
might
start
be
getting
in trouble
aggro.
with
Bunches.
this.
I have
8-9, if you
nothing.
guys can start getting aggro for
Two
me,
secret
try to get
bad.
aggro into that
Watch
top
out,
right.
bottom
Try
right.
to get
Yeah,
aggro
kill
into that
squad's
top
coming
10
bottom right. A couple
seconds.
medium groups right now.
Clapping.
Just try to mate that.
I'm all the way on a road. I got you.
5, 4,
Get beneath bonfire if you can.
2, 1.
Got you.
Respawns now.
Respawns right now. Good shit, good shit, good shit.
Yeah,
Hey,
kill
clear
squad's
them
on bottom
out,
right,
clear them
watch
out on this
out.
bonfire
Okay.
side and let's seal it. Look towards
I'll have
the
a
top
grab, I
right.
might be
Look
looking
at
right side in a
peak
second.
midwinter if you
Actually,
see
I got you,
it.
bunches.
Take good angles into this top
20
right.
I'm gonna get these
Second
secret bunches.
timers.
That's all we got.
I'm gonna go back up. I'm gonna have to be looking bottom right with the grab in a second. Grab me now bottom right on 10.
20 seconds.
Yeah, Bond's pretty safe for our healers. Bond's pretty safe for our healers. Let's
Got a
get to
wall
the
on
top
our
side
right.
and start looking towards
Hunter.
top left here. I got nades on that top
I
left.
just take it.
On a grab right on you, bunches.
10
Yeah, I'm just gonna get out of this. I
seconds.
have no cooldowns. Sacred's on
Yep,
pin
top
bottom.
side. They're,
I got you, peeps. I got you.
I popped
they're
them.
playing.
Oh,
I'm gonna
okay.
ditto grab
Four,
next second.
Watch out the gunner row.
I'll probably
I
go
ditto
ditto
as
grab here in a
One.
second.
Find value
Respawns
off point. Find
now.
value off point.
I
Find
got you,
value
peeps. I
off
got
point.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go top right.
Okay.
Ditto grab in a
Passing a
second.
little bit towards
I
their
just
road.
I just
Start
took it,
passing a little bit towards their
Yeah,
road.
I'm gonna
Take
go
a
right
spot
side.
right
I'm gonna
on
go right side.
20
And let's take
seconds.
good
I got a wall on
angles
that
and
left
let's
side.
spike towards top side
Nothing,
point in
nothing.
3, 2, 1. Spike
So
towards top
time
side
is
point here.
shocking
Spike
out
towards
bottom,
top side point here. Spike towards top side point here.
10
Bunches.
seconds.
All right, path out
One thing,
opposite.
right?
Path out opposite. Path out
Take
opposite.
us back
Path out
top right.
opposite.
I'm
Path
gonna
out
grab in a
opposite.
second.
And
Probably
let's
go
press
right
into
Four,
this top left. Press into
three,
the top left. I need mediums
two,
taking it tight. Mediums
one.
taking it
Yeah,
tight.
yeah, I'm gonna go right
Mediums
side.
taking it
Respawns
tight.
Respawns
now.
Respawns just
Kinda
happen.
like
Respawns go
bunches.
oppo.
I've nothing
Respawns go
like
I got
oppo.
mines
Respawns
ready.
go oppo.
I'm
Respawns
gonna
go
vine
oppo.
right
Respawns
point.
go oppo.
Or forget it.
Thank you.
Secret's on
20
bad. Secret's on bad.
seconds.
I'm gonna try and declump
Go
this.
oppo.
It's
All right, I
clear
need
they're
mediums to
crashing
start
really
stepping. Mediums start
I've
stepping.
nothing.
Mediums
I'll
start
be dead
stepping.
here.
And we're gonna spike
Fucking-
point in 3, 2,
I got
1.
it. No.
Damage towards point.
10
Damage towards point. Damage
seconds.
towards point. Damage towards
Respawns
point.
in
Damage
5
towards point.
seconds.
You guys can spike this. Spike this. Spike it. Step. Spike it.
Five,
Step. You can take it back.
four,
Spike it. Step. You can take it back.
three,
Spike it. Step. You can take it back.
2, 1.
All right, pull out, pull out,
Respawns
pull out,
now.
pull out, pull out, pull out. Get set up, pull out, get set up.
Cover
Good hold,
fifties?
good hold on B. Pull out, get set up.
I'm out of range, peeps.
Yeah, it's just a spear.
Yep.
5 seconds.
No 8 healer.
3, 2, 1. Respawns
All right, 3,
now.
4, 7, 8,
I'm gonna
9,
hold
10.
the
Push
road
hard
pretty
into their
heavy.
road right now.
Hold the
3, 4,
bonfire.
7, 8, 9, 10. Push hard into their road right now.
Kinda like
Seal them
ramparts,
off,
close
seal them off, seal
ramparts.
them off. 1, 2, we're
Yeah,
looking
yeah,
bonfire
okay.
choke.
20
5, 6, you're
seconds.
looking our road.
I'm gonna grab
They're
two.
flooding
I'm
our
gonna
road
grab
pretty
ramparts.
heavy here.
Grab me
They're
now,
flooding
grab
our
me now,
road
I'm
pretty
fine.
heavy here. Point team, let's definitely
Got
help
another
push
one on
our
you.
road
Another
right
one
now.
right on you.
Our road
Rest
right
up,
Secret
you.
bunches. That's your secret on ramparts.
10
gonna hold this
Yeah,
Second.
fight
seconds.
ramparts here.
Yep, I see you.
5,
That's their tank.
Four,
We can come up
Three,
with
Go
it.
through
two,
oppo, guys, when you guys are coming back. Go through
1.
oppo, guys, when you come coming back.
Respawns now.
I got secret.
Good
Yeah,
shit.
I'm making my
Push
way to
hard
Oppo.
into
I'm
top
gonna start
right
looking
now.
closer
Push
to
hard into
Oppo,
top right
playing
now.
Oppo.
Push hard into top right
I
right
got
now.
you
Their
back.
tank is on
20
top right
I'm gonna be
seconds.
grabbing
Yeah.
bottom right here in a
We can
second.
just clear off
I got
point
you
and
back.
oppo. Clear off point and
I'm gonna hold
oppo.
it.
Good
I got you
shit. Good shit. Now you push into
Yeah, I'm gonna
top
grab bottom
left.
right, grabbing
Now
bottom
push
right.
into
He's
top
spotting,
left.
he's
Push
spotting.
into top left.
Secret's on your
10
bunches. Top point, top point. I'm
seconds.
playing Oppo.
Gum is
I'm playing
DC'd on point bottom right. Maybe kill him quick.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good shit, boys. All right, we're playing loose now. We're playing loose now. Where's
Yep.
problematic?
I'm shower
Where's
bottom
problematic?
I have a secret.
The road's really heavy right now. I'm just gonna kind
Our
of playing
road.
right side.
I'm gonna bind bottom.
Hey,
Watch
you
out,
guys
I'm
can
gonna
help our
declump
road a little bit.
seconds.
Try to help our road just a little bit.
I'm having Dead or Grab
just
really
8-9,
soon.
just 8-9, just 8-9.
I have Ditto.
7-10, keep
Okay.
W king on oppo here.
With you.
My secret's off a point.
I got mines ready as well.
10
Okay, I'm
seconds.
gonna be
they're pushing
looking
up to
probably. I'm
them.
probably gonna go point with it in a second. Have it now. I'm gonna be looking
Healing
point.
back.
Probably
A
right
lot
side
of our
point.
nothing
healers
to
grabbing now,
Five,
grabbing now.
four,
One
Wait, your point, I'm vines again.
3, 2, 1. Respawns now.
Good
Take us
job.
on
Hey,
two.
8-9, if I can
Still
get a
playing
flank
now.
on
Dropping bottom right.
bonfire side, it'll be fucking huge, 8-9.
20
Okay.
seconds.
God damn.
Okay.
Good job,
Where's
good
your
job, good
point?
job, good job, good
I'm
job.
playing off.
I'm gonna have another deado pretty soon.
Alright, nothing.
Yeah, I'm
nothing.
halfway to mine.
Take us on your bunches. That's all I
10
have. That's all I have.
seconds.
Yeah, I'm gonna be
Yo,
looking probably top right with the
loop
deado
out
grab in a
bond,
second.
loop out bond, loop out bond, loop out bond, and just own top
Grabbing
Four,
now,
Right,
top
right,
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 top
right,
right, right side point.
Okay.
They're classic
1.
bottom right.
Respawns
Alright,
Mid
now.
clump now.
I got your bunches.
Getting a shower on pain.
I have a secret. I have a
Yeah.
secret. Take us on your
Still
bunches.
kind of,
20
yeah, I'm still kind of
seconds.
playing bottom right off point a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna
pushing
back
top
up a little
left
bit.
now.
They're really
Push
heavy
into
bottom
this
right.
top
I'm just gonna
left right
kind of
now.
back
I
up
got
a
Push
bit.
into this top left right now.
I
Getting
just-
up on
Nothing,
top
nothing,
left.
nothing.
Push into the
Oh,
top left.
fuck.
Put all your pressure
Hold
on
on.
bonfire
I didn't-
side.
I didn't-
Have her
Put
grab
all
and be
your
looking
pressure
right
on
side
bonfire
point.
side.
Take
Put
it on
all
your
your pressure
bunches.
on bonfire
They're
side.
pushing us
Get
pretty
Five,
heavy.
the other
Top
get the other
left.
grab
four,
bottom
Top
right.
left with me.
Second.
Get into
three,
this top left with me.
Grab me
Get
now.
into this top left with me.
Healing
One,
bad. I am gonna play left.
response
Response
now.
right now. Looking towards this top left. This all could die. This all could fucking die on
I'm
top
playing
left.
by bond now.
Secure
Yeah,
kills.
they're
Secure
pretty
kills.
heavy
Secure
bottom
kills.
right.
20
I'm the only one here though,
seconds.
so I'm probably gonna.
Sigurd's on you, bad. Sigurd's on you.
Okay, yeah.
Stick jumping.
Done. Yo,
Someone play
push,
closer to
push.
point
You guys
bottom
gotta
right.
play a little bit tight to
You
point
gotta-
for me.
you gotta
Look at
try
top
clutch
left,
top.
Bring
left.
up
Ten
top
I'm gonna
seconds.
play my life. I'm gonna have a
10
dead
seconds
grab
on
for
respawn
the
here.
point really soon.
Alright, pull back forward.
Five,
Pull back forward.
Four,
Pull back forward.
Triple,
Pull back forward.
three,
3 seconds on
Yeah,
respawn.
I'm gonna dead grab
Take
bottom
it
right.
back.
I'm gonna go bottom
One.
right on ping.
Respawns
No, we
now.
No, you're good.
Yeah, they got it. Okay, I'm gonna back up here.
I had a really clear view of it.
20 seconds.
Alright guys, as a reminder,
I'm just gonna
for
go
this
into
fourth
back
phase here.
gates.
Yeah.
1, 2 is B, 6 is my left gate anchor, 4 is my right gate anchor, 8 is my left flex, 3 is my right flex,
10
5 is on
seconds.
D, 7 is on E.
I'm gonna
9
go
you're cheating
inside.
right side forward, 10 you're cheating
Yeah,
left
I'm
side
just gonna
forward.
wait at the
Guys, we have a
gate.
nasty fucking 4 comp, let's fucking shit on them. Truth
Yo,
Respawns
shooter, pull in
now.
Cosmo. He has an AoE set.
Hey, we're fighting
This
outside
one
this
up.
gate right now if we can. We're
Okay,
fighting
I'm gonna
outside
help
this gate
A
right now
until I
if we
see
can.
tick on
We're now
C.
at 36-second respawn
Gate's on the
timers.
center.
Did I switch to beacon? Are we anchor?
Yeah,
Yeah,
don't go out,
yeah,
don't go out, my
yeah.
point teams.
20 seconds.
Okay, A's going down. I'm gonna fight here
Alright.
until I see tick on C.
Let's go ahead. A's down. Let's get a shower on it. D&E groups get back to D&E. D&E groups get back to D&E. Let's see if they
Grab me
waterfall to
in
B
second.
here. Let's see if they
10
waterfall to B here.
seconds.
They're rotating some
Okay,
people
respects.
around
I'm beacon now.
my point teams. Let's
Four.
not go outside.
3,
My point teams. Let's not
2,
go outside.
B's going
1.
down.
Do
Respawns
it.
now.
Are you still over there, bunches? Yeah, I see.
Yeah, I'm still at A. I'm just gonna wait till I see tick.
I'm putting my secret on you.
Okay.
Our gate's still okay.
We're chilling. We're chilling. We're chilling. We're chilling.
Just
I'm on a wall door.
Just my C anchor on left gate
20
right now.
seconds.
Just like one VG watching. Otherwise, you're finding value elsewhere.
Should we help B?
Okay.
Sure, yeah.
Yeah,
I
Ten
just
seconds.
breaking horns for now.
Yeah.
They're about to send everybody.
Yo, they're
Yeah,
being
just send
aggro.
people
They're being
now.
aggro. Don't waste
5,
anything. Don't waste
4,
anything. Don't
I'm
waste
not B, I'm
anything.
3,
They're through D, they're
Two.
through
Until our
D.
gate starts going
1. Respawns
I'm
now.
gonna save my deado for our gate.
They're rotating guys
Yeah.
to our gate now.
Yeah, they're
Group E,
rotating.
group, help them D a little bit if you
down. Oh
can.
yeah, our gate's going
And just
down.
clean that
A
up
flex
real
is going over
Pretty
2.
fast.
Beautiful, beautiful.
We're pushing them out.
Fucking leg. Shit.
20 seconds.
Alright, I'm here. Ready to go.
There's probably 15
guys
outside
just-
of A, not pushing yet though.
15 outside A, not pushing it. Okay.
I'll let you know if
guys
they
have
rotate.
even numbers?
I'll get first shower.
10
Yeah, we're okay.
seconds.
They have decks on left gate too. They have decks on left gate too. Okay, we're chilling. We're chilling. We're like
Five,
even. We're even right
4,
now. They have 2
three,
people behind you guys. 2
two,
people behind you guys.
1. Respawns now.
Above 15 C.
They might be pushing. Yeah,
We're
yeah.
stuck
I'm
on
gonna
the wall.
grab this.
30
All right, so my
seconds.
C flex, you guys aren't leaving C. My C flex, you aren't leaving C, and my group 10,
I'm
you're
just gonna back up
not
here for
you're not
2
leaving either.
seconds. Coming back in though.
A is super stacked. They have like 4 groups.
Shocking us.
Playing
Grab
by
by
D
stairs.
20
Next time,
seconds.
Okay.
So
then
healers
that
are
means
standing
they're
inside the
not
gate, by the
on
way.
that gate. Yo,
I'm in
D gate
trouble,
group,
I'm
look
trying
towards
to
A
be
gate.
here.
B
I'm
gate,
getting
careful. They're gonna
started.
try to crash you guys. They're gonna try to crash you
10
guys. Make A gate.
seconds.
I just shouted the gate.
Okay, I'm having another grab
Nades on this
towards
right side. My
actually
D gate group, you guys are just looking towards the
5,
right side port right now.
4,
2 seconds. Grab me now.
three,
Push dummies.
They goes on
Two.
bunches.
1.
Somebody decomp this really
Respawns
quick.
now.
Comms.
We gotta try to fight closer to gate. I think.
I'm gonna
All
step
their
up and
healers
get a
are
wall
here.
on gate.
Okay,
30
yeah.
seconds.
grab dirt.
Yeah, I
Yo,
see
I'm gonna
that,
shower
yeah.
gate right now.
All the killers are coming in now. Shocking gate.
Yeah, we might have to look towards point, to be honest.
20
They have
seconds.
one blender sitting
Yeah,
here.
probably sometime soon. Yeah, I'm just gonna go closer to point for now.
Yeah, you can fight dirt.
Yeah.
No.
Alright, my flex is
I'm
let's take it
gonna
a
go put
little
a wall
bit
in
tight.
B.
My flex is
Okay.
take it a little bit tight and crash into that B gate choke.
I'm having
for me
deado
right now.
grab pretty soon.
5,
Flex is take
Get
it down
out.
and let's just
Whenever
crash
you
into
get
that
out.
B gate
Three.
choke.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna go
Two.
bottom right, bottom.
And-
right,
and my
One.
point
then
team's
second
looking
grab me
towards
now.
the top left.
Now.
I'm playing our shop still. I'm playing our shop still.
Okay.
The healer just came in our gate. I'm just gonna
30
shut my fucking.
seconds.
7-8, you guys just get active in that B gate choke. For
Take
me.
it to bot point and
All their
bunches.
healers,
and
all their
bunches.
point healers are disrupted right now. Just wipe them on point and we're chilling.
Oh.
Come on,
Go
our
back to
dirt. We need
Yeah,
clear
yeah,
our
yeah,
dirt.
dirt.
Yeah, our
20
dirt's
Fucking
bad.
healers, Going stairs, that kind of area.
Shut them off, you Bria.
Stack and see dummies.
I took secret. I'm healing.
10
Gonna grab our stairs.
seconds.
Yeah, I'm on it.
5, 4,
They're sending some
Uh,
people
Three,
above E.
some
so
people
E
are
gate
coming
group-
from our gate.
One.
your group dies, you guys play
Respawns now.
My flexes, keep it down towards
Please
B
put
if
it
you
back
can.
again.
My
Yeah,
flexes,
there's,
keep it
three
down
melee
towards B
straight
if you
now.
can.
30
Yeah,
seconds.
Just Dingo's
Grabbing
group.
now,
Just Dingo's
okay.
group here if you can.
Yeah, I see your money.
There's a good there.
Thank you.
Ashley, where did you want us?
I'm gonna take it a bit
Just
closer to
crash
point,
down
kind of
towards
left
the
side.
B choke, dude.
If
Twenty
anyone's coming in our gate,
seconds.
though, just
There's a
stand
healer
Healer
free
in the
casting
BH
above
Got
our
it if
shops
you
right
want to
now.
repair. I'll cover.
I've been trying, but
No.
there's people here the whole time.
Yeah. Actually, I'm gonna take
Spawn
it.
Spawn
front
front right,
seconds.
That's all I
spawn
have,
front
that's all
right,
I have.
spawn front right, spawn front right.
Ready, bud?
I'm gonna
5,
grab left side point. I'm
four,
gonna grab kind of bottom left. on ping.
three,
It's really fat bottom left.
two,
One healer in right there,
One.
big
Bring
bounty,
up
no
shots
cooldowns, no
now.
cooldowns, no cooldowns.
Take his bunch
Good job, good job, good job.
They're through D. They're through D.
I'm gonna
Okay.
play top B, I think.
30
Alright,
You gotta
seconds.
run
back
top
right,
B,
careful on
get
our
back
back
right.
I'm
right.
running- I'm
Let's
running
look
beacon,
towards
I'm
top
running
right
beacon.
here, let's look towards top right here, and let's try to get some kills towards this
He's
top right.
losing hard.
Both of my flexes
I'm
down
having
towards
Dead
B
or
gate
Grab
right now.
very
Both of my
soon.
flexes down
Come back
towards
our
B gate right now.
gate.
20
Thanks.
seconds.
Good
Oh,
wipes,
point
good wipes.
looking.
Clean them up, clean them up, clean them up, clean them up.
going
Secure
down,
these kills,
but-
secure
Yeah,
these
it's
kills,
going down.
secure
We have
these
it
kills.
under control.
10 seconds.
Clean up
Bunch of
fort and
decks
back to
outside
bounce.
here,
Clean up
so
fort and
it's-
back to
yeah,
bounce.
no,
Clean up
just
fort
in
and back to
case.
bounce.
Yeah, point looks okay. Point looks
4,
okay. I'm gonna.
3,
Might take it top
2,
B.
1.
I'm just gonna help clean up really quick.
Right up,
Respawns
I'll do
now.
that.
I
I
got
got
it.
two if you can.
Just gonna play dirt for two
Go.
seconds.
30 seconds.
There's all range outside of her.
I'm on a wall.
We gotta try to break
Sure,
that cannon
I'm
though.
gonna
That thing
wait.
hits
One
like
medium
on the push
disruptor
out.
running
They'll kill
towards,
us all.
towards
Hold on, I have
B
nothing,
right
nothing,
now.
nothing.
Hey,
Got two of
D
them.
stairs is a little bit heavy. If anybody's
20
free, look towards D.
seconds.
If anybody's free,
three
look towards D.
cannons.
Yeah, they're pretty heavy our gate now.
They had 3 cannons outside of C.
3 cannons was that?
Yeah, and about 20 people.
10
Okay.
seconds.
I have a ditto grab when they
10
push.
seconds. 10
My
seconds. They're gonna
EA
be
group-
looking to
my
push
EA
in.
group, if you guys
5,
wipe or if you get any
4,
kills there, just look towards left side forward for me, okay,
2,
boys?
We'll play our shops because they're
1.
immediately ahead of me.
Respawns
It's like 20
now.
C.
Yep.
I'm stepping up
So,
the wall.
listen, D-Gate group,
I think
D-Gate
they're
group,
pushing
flex
pretty-
across
yeah, I'm gonna
towards
double grab
E,
this in a
Nothing,
second.
and then
nothing.
E-Gate
I
group,
got a
get
wall
ready
on
to
it behind
flex
me.
down
Hunter,
towards
hunter,
E.
I
Looks
will
like
jogging,
a left gate
jogging
stack
here.
here.
Ditto.
Looks like a left gate stack here.
30
I have
seconds.
nothing for 2. Careful, careful, careful.
Yeah, they're waiting for something. Just leave one VG on D to see if they send anybody there.
Take it on gate,
Yep.
take it on gate.
I'm
20
looking around. I'm
seconds.
doing analysis right now.
Did they rotate people off? I can't.
Yeah, I think they're rotating people to back gates. I can't tell them.
Hey, if either side gets
10
clean, I need the
seconds.
flexes down
Point
towards B. If
is-
either side gets clean, I need the
I
flexes
think
down
okay.
towards B.
If you were coming
It's
in,
just
I'm
10
pushing
now
a
at
little bit.
Siyashi.
Four.
No shower, no shower.
3, 2,
Yeah,
1.
I'm gonna grab them.
Respawns
Shower,
now. We're at
Got a wall
44
on it.
second
Nades on it.
On our
timers.
dirt.
Another
Wall
grab, another
scream
grab,
on our dirt.
another grab.
My
You
flex
guys,
is
you
down
guys.
towards B. My flex is down towards B. My flex is down towards B. My flex is down towards B. And hit these healers. Hey, yo, their healers are pushing into the fort. They're point
Shower in the
healers.
gate.
I still have my
seconds.
data.
I have
outside
like
the outside
14
door.
melees on me.
Where are you?
Yep,
Where are you?
please.
Around. We gotta turn around. We gotta
I
look
got a
at
wall.
Yeah,
Good
yeah,
job,
I'm
boys,
gonna
good
go.
job.
I have a
Just
ditto
clearing.
actually. I might.
I have Deado too.
20
Coming in, they're
There's
coming
about
in.
10 in D.
Couple healers stairs.
Thank you.
Take it bunches, take it bunches.
Flex is down and let's
Oh,
crash
hell
towards
of
this
people
top
just
right
went
now.
there,
Crash
right?
towards this top
Yep.
right now.
I'm gonna play
Crash towards
stairs
this
right
top
now.
right now.
Ice
And let's
playing
Ten
now.
Dax going up
seconds.
E8.
5 seconds
bottom
left, respawn.
point.
Spawn front left.
Five,
Mediums just
four,
tiptoe for me. Mediums just tiptoe
3,
for me.
2,
Hold on, I'm playing live.
Yeah,
1.
we're winning this. Just clean it up.
Respawns
Clean it up. Clean it
now.
up. Front right.
I'm gonna grab bottom point.
40
Spontaneous, bunch of
seconds.
low people.
I need help or dirt, I need help or dirt. I'm good,
I'm
I'm
in,
good.
I'm
Yeah,
in,
alright,
I'm
Sorry,
in.
I'm just trying to-
You
I'm
guys
trying to
have
fucking-
change
Yeah,
up.
come
Nine
in,
seconds.
come in,
I have to
bottom
look
left,
them.
good
Everybody
area.
else, we're clearing up.
Thirty
inside.
Coming in our gate, by the
You
way.
wanna grab our door?
Coming in our gate.
Left side hell.
East
It's
is
a
the
big
tutor.
I'm stuck. What's going on? I'm stuck on a respawn. Are we
Grabbing
chilling?
stairs, grabbing stairs.
We gotta try to play
Take it,
closer.
take it.
Yeah.
20
I'm gonna try to
seconds.
figure it out.
I'm playing-
Look towards VHOs. Look towards
I'm gonna
VHOs.
declump this.
E
watch
stairs,
upstairs.
E stairs heavy.
We're pushing above D right now. If
I'm
back gate
still
wants
on
to
a
join
loading
us.
screen.
10 seconds.
I never mind. They're all cleared out. We're good up top.
Watch out stairs.
Okay.
Alright, we're
Okay.
chilling. Hey, listen.
E is free right now.
Five,
There's 10 coming
four,
on
These guys dirt, they can
Alright,
love these guys,
DK
no
group,
scam.
if
Don't
you
grab-
can,
don't grab
flex
him.
across
One,
towards E, my left
three,
side,
three,
left, try to look
now.
towards left. Spawn front right. Ooh, I'm up.
I got a wall on that
Finally.
guy.
We're
Alright.
chilling.
40
Alright, let's go,
seconds.
let's go, let's go.
Dummies.
We're just pushing
Just trying
towards
to get out now.
top left right now. If you're free, push towards top left right now and try to get a couple kills for me. Otherwise, I want
I'm gonna
D
clean
and
up
E gate groups
inside.
cleaning
30
up E.
seconds.
D and E gate groups are cleaning up E, and everybody else, we're chilling. We're chilling everywhere. We're chilling everywhere. Just clean up inside port. We have no pressure inside the port.
Come on, guys.
Big blind spots. I don't
20
know if you can
seconds.
Oh yeah, I
Wanna
bought
buy
fire
your
traps.
stuff.
I'm gonna set those down.
A's getting
You're
overloaded.
gonna get crashed. You're gonna get crashed from A gate. My D gate group, get ready to flex
10
down towards A. My D
seconds.
gate group, get ready to
Have
flex
a
down
dead
towards A.
bunkers.
My E
Yeah,
gate
so
group,
do
get
I.
ready to
Yes,
flex
you.
across towards D.
Okay.
Right side fort is
5,
heavy healers. I want you to
4,
cheat towards left
Can
side
shower.
fort.
3,
Healers, cheat
now.
towards left side
2,
fort.
1.
Look at that, guys.
Respawns now.
D gate is up.
E gate,
40
D-gate.
I'm gonna shower as
seconds.
soon
Yo,
as
yo,
you're
careful
done.
B-gate, careful
Showering?
B-gate, careful B-gate. Yo,
still
D&E,
holding
you
my
guys are
stuff
just
when I
completely
play.
clearing inside fort right now. D&E, let's focus on backstage, D&E. 9
Actually,
and 10,
I'm
look
gonna
towards
grab this, I'm
backstage.
gonna
What is
30
the fucking strategy?
seconds.
9 10,
I'm
look
just
towards
gonna get
backstage,
it,
get some free kills for me. My
you do?
D&E groups were just all brawling towards D here. They're stuck, they're stuck. There's healers literally stuck on the shop.
I can
back
shower.
here.
I can shower
Literally
here.
stuck on
20
the shop back here.
seconds.
Showering.
I'm just gonna still playing close to the gate.
Good shit, boys. Good shit. Clean this up quick.
I
Take
need
us back.
to
That's all they have.
ooh,
That's all they
yeah,
have.
believe
2,
it.
2, 2.
I'm getting a wall.
10
Respawns
seconds.
in 8.
They just got into a gate hard.
Yeah.
5,
5-man crushing B
4,
from C.
3, 2, 1. Respawns now.
Somebody just dark ascent.
I'm gonna go straight to dirt.
40 seconds.
What the fuck?
Respawns now, by the
Alright,
way.
I'm done. I'm done. Good job
Wait,
on that
yeah.
backstage. Take that pressure
What's
from the
that?
backstage and look towards
They
these
have like
stairs. My point team, take
a
the
lot
fight
of healers
towards top
top right
30
now. Like
seconds.
hella.
30
Yeah.
seconds on respawn here. My flexes, you
I'm
guys
looking
are
to wall
just helping
Seagate
clean
right now.
dirts
I
right
give you a
now.
secret on
You guys
point,
can
man.
wipe that top right, no
Are they
problem.
coming in,
Kill
Seagate?
Petuino.
Yeah.
You guys can wipe that
Yeah.
top right, no problem.
I stopped one of them.
20
They're going now.
seconds.
The other one's going to the back. They're going to the back.
What is this guy's fucking
Careful, my
problem?
point teams. They have hell pressure. I need both my
Thieves.
flexes crashing down towards the
He's
BD choke. and I want my
just
point
stand by
team
the
to play
gate.
loose.
Just
10
auto hit.
seconds.
This guy's
10
great.
seconds
Go
on spawn
fucking
here.
in the
You
corner.
guys can
I'm
spawn
still
back
stuck over
back
here,
for
that's
free.
great.
You guys can spawn
5,
back left for free.
4,
If you
Spawn
have
front
to
left,
leave another
spawn
minute,
front
just
left,
close
spawn
the
two,
front
gate.
left,
back,
clean
back,
up
back.
left here,
1.
spawn front left.
I'm playing
Respawns
top here now.
now.
Left
Point's
side
kind of
point.
crazy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm
I'm trying to
grabbing
repair.
left side point in a second here.
40
Tracking
seconds.
him down. You want?
Yeah, grabbing now left side.
Yeah,
Just
Joe,
take
go
care
help
of
out. That was
Hell
just
side.
one person coming.
Slide my back eight groups flex down towards
That's
hell and try to
also
get
top B, I'm
kills
playing
for
top
me.
B.
9 and 10.
Back
I
They're
need
going
to
in through B.
try
They're going through
30
B.
inside fort right now.
seconds.
Oh,
Good
I
job,
should
good
not
job,
be
good job.
up
You respawn and crash towards top right. Crash towards top right. You guys are getting
I'm gonna
recrashed
have a
towards
data
top
grab
right.
next in like 5
I
seconds.
think they're sending
Top
respawns
right,
B.
play loose a little bit and let's walk towards top
20
left. Let's walk towards
seconds.
top left.
Sig is bad. Sig is bad.
I don't have enough for
Figured it
repair.
out.
I'm probably gonna go bottom left with
Hey,
the data grab
point
here left
teams,
side
got a
in a
couple
second.
people
I
down.
got
I'm gonna go
all
outside
signs
with
as
the
well.
data
I'm with you. I'm fine.
Mediums, take it tight for me for a second. Mediums,
10
take it tight.
seconds.
All mediums, take it tight. All mediums, take it tight. And
Playing
crash
left
towards
side,
top right.
I'm gonna go bottom
Towards
left.
top right.
5,
Towards top right. Towards top right. Towards top
3,
right. Crash top
2,
right. Respawns,
1.
respawns.
Respawns
Immediately crash
now.
this
I'm
point.
gonna go
Get me
ice wall
kills towards
B.
top
Yep.
side.
Gate.
Everybody play towards
50
top side.
seconds.
That's
Top
towards
now.
DA choke.
Am I playing
Good
live?
shit. Kill them all. Good
Hold on, I'm
job. Good
playing
job.
live,
Good
I'm
job.
playing
Now
Okay,
turn
I'm
around.
getting
and
nades on you guys.
I need showers at Big A choke. Turn around and
40
wipe now. I need showers at
seconds.
Big A choke.
I'm showering hell.
Bad timers right now.
Take it on you, bunches. That's all I have. That's all I have.
Shit,
2, 2,
back
2, 2.
cannon. No shot. Hey, shove that BK choke. You're chilling.
Good,
Clean up
good.
inside fort. We're good.
I'm playing our
30
6 shots. I'm playing our
seconds.
six
Still
shots.
still playing bottom left though.
I definitely do.
They're coming in third
Choke,
gate. I
choke,
got
choke,
him.
choke,
Two.
choke. Take it die.
Up
Oh,
no.
fuck.
I'm gonna grab top of the
Okay,
point.
are we okay?
I'm gonna grab top of the point.
50%.
20
so we can-
seconds.
I'm gonna step up and wall
mediums
B
are
gate
taking it
again.
tight. Yo, I need a hero to go and B gate
No, I
choke for me
can't
right now.
fucking switch
That's
my
not
weapon,
on
I'm
the
gonna
point
freak
team.
out.
I need a hero to go and B
Hold on, I
gate
have
choke for me
nothing.
right now. That's not on the
Okay,
point
I'm
team.
gonna go and B gate.
10
Disrupt.
seconds.
We're
They have all
spawning
of their-
front right, and I need
I'm dead, I'm
mediums
dead.
playing on point. Mediums
pushed
playing
in the
on
B
point.
to
All right,
get
guys,
these
pull
healers
back
out.
on B
5,
gate choke and go wipe
4,
them inside.
5
Okay,
Get
seconds.
in, get in, get on
I need a
point,
dead
get on
point,
point,
I
get
need
on
a
point.
dead
One,
Respawn and dive,
respawn
respawn and dive,
now.
respawn and dive,
About
respawn
to
and
die.
dive, respawn and dive. Dive, 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 dive.
There's no way. GG's.
GG's guys.
We didn't have an AoE healer. That's some problem. Yeah.
Damn. I told
Yeah.
Shooter I can go AoE healing too. Rip.
Did you? Oh damn. Oh well. That was a good war at least, but I thought we had that
Yeah.
to be honest.
For how many people we had fucking missing? It went a lot better than
Yeah,
expected.
that too. It was scuffed last night and today. That's alright though. We're missing some key people as well.
Oh well. GG's.
Yeah, GG's dude.